LED walls are everywhere, and if you worked in live events, you know one thing is guaranteed. Eventually, something needs repair. When that happens, who you trust matters. So what makes Azar Pixel different? Here are 5 reasons.
First, no downtime. All the repairs are done right here out of our Las Vegas and Dallas facilities, supporting all of North America, including Mexico and Canada. Most repairs are completed in 10 days or less, with no international shipping delays, no overseas markups eating into your margins. As soon as your module hits the doorstep, it's addressed by our R&D team. Because Azar Pixel isn't a shop full of technicians swapping parts. We're an engineering company, so every repair is handled by our engineers who understand each component down to the board level. From there, it's tested and packed in protective packaging and backed by a 30-day warranty. You're getting quality you can count on. Third, we don't compete with you. Azar Pixel doesn't rent LED panels. So when you send us repairs, you're not handing work to a competitor. Fourth, 24/7 support. We're available around the clock, day or night, weekend or holiday included. Fifth, a repair is only as good as the parts available. Azar Pixel keeps power supplies, Novastar and ColorLight processors stocked and ready to ship same day from our Dallas warehouse. All of this is available right now through our e-commerce storefront, signaplug.com. And if your gear isn't one of the big names, don't worry, we have a team overseas that can source anything you need fast. Azar Pixel is your one-stop shop for repairs.